Utah State University's School of Veterinary Medicine offers a professional degree in veterinary medicine in partnership with Washington State University. Students work toward earning a Doctor of Veterinary Medicine with their first 2 years in Logan, Utah, and the final 2 years in Pullman, Washington. Located in Cache Valley, Utah, USU is surrounded by ski resorts, lakes, rivers, and mountains to make USU one of the finest recreational environments in the nation. USU has state-of-the-art teaching, animal and research facilities, and dedicated, internationally recognized faculty members who care deeply about student success.
Students who have stronger relationships with instructors learn better, they feel safer, they feel that they can ask any question they want, they feel that their environment is more conducive to learning. Students are going to build a tight community with their classmates. They're going to be spending a lot of time with those same people. And this community oftentimes lasts for the rest of their professional lives.
Heavy workloads and long hours are part of the veterinary student experience, but USU is committed to providing students with the resources needed for a successful learning atmosphere. Beginning with orientation, where faculty and staff help students become familiar with campus, classes, and how to navigate life as a veterinary student.
And we want the students to succeed in their personal lives and in their professional lives. To me, it shows the success of this program as a whole.
Orientation was a huge help in preparing me to get started into the vet school. I have so many resources. I have so many members in my cohort, other students. I have teachers, I have faculty and staff that can help me to succeed in this program and really in my professional career.
Veterinary students spend time in labs and classrooms, but with USU's small class sizes, they get hands-on experience early on as a student, working with animals and completing research in state-of-the-art facilities.
Just yesterday, actually, we collected liver biopsies on 30 head of steer. And it was something routine. It's supposed to be a pretty simple procedure, but to be able to get in, put our hands on these steers, and to actually collect those biopsies was really cool. I think my biggest advice for anybody that would go into vet school is really take advantage of all the opportunities that come our way.
Well, I think the biggest difference we have is the opportunity to be involved with clinical cases. We have a large amount of animals on the farm that are used for research and teaching purposes in both instances. And we do procedures on animals. They may just have, a disease, we need to treat them, or maybe they need surgery. We also do research where we're involved with surgical procedures.
USU veterinary students are exposed to a wide range of career opportunities early in their education through required and non-required opportunities.
My favorite thing is when they come in to say, "Oh, this is so much fun. I don't want to tell any of the other students how much fun we had today."
USU's School of Veterinary Medicine educates students with a philosophy of One Health, which is the intersection between people, animals, and the environment. Students have first-hand opportunities with One Health through the Utah Veterinary Diagnostic Lab located on the USU campus.
Basically, what we do is we provide veterinary diagnostic service to Utah and the surrounding Intermountain area to safeguard animal health, to screen and monitor for zoonotic events. So those are diseases that can infect animals and then animals can transmit to humans.
Veterinary students learn general pathology and how to recognize problems with organ and tissue samples, along with other professional techniques and procedures.
The perspective that veterinary medicine training brings to you as an individual and what you can bring to biomedical science and public health and industry and some of these other sectors is really critical and something that maybe isn't appreciated or widely known.
Students gain confidence through a wide variety of educational experiences and support at USU that prepare them for an impactful career as a veterinarian.
With the confidence I've gained, I now realize that my education prepared me for this, as well as the support from the staff and the other students in the program. I was having some difficulty with systemic pathology. Dr. Van Wetter sent me an email. "Hey, this is your test score. It looks like you had some difficulties with some of the topics." It was very comforting to actually get to sit and talk to him one-on-one about my test and to figure out what I needed to know, because this is the stuff that you're learning to help you with the rest of your career. It's really nice having that support system just built in, and I know I'm going to be friends with a lot of these people for the rest of my life.